Hey everyone, it's Anna and I am back with another unboxing, and this time, as you can see from the box, it's an Erin Condren. It's my first one. So I'm super excited to open this up. I am usually a happy planner person, but because I am starting a business and I want to showcase the things that I am selling to you guys in an Erin Condren as well, I decided to just buy an Erin Condren, and I went all out on this baby. Let's just open this up. I'm gonna put her to the side because, you know, what are these things? I've got some, oh, it's just like a card to from, and it says enjoy. Create your own sunshine journaling card. Oh wait, ooh, this is a postcard, as you can see. And I think this was like a welcome pack or something that came with my order, because it's the first time that I've ever gotten an Erin Condren. So, oh, these are cute. These are just like little sticker thingies that you can add into your planner, or if you want to give it to someone. These are just like sticker tags. That's cute. And then some information about Erin Condren. So without further ado, let's open this Erin Condren box. I couldn't, whatchamacallit, I can't fit the whole box into my camera because I'm having some issues with my tripod. But, I'm excited! Okay, let's move this box. Yay! What's this? Okay, stuff about this. Oh, okay, so it has the things that that were included in the box. And oh cool, I have this little whatchamacallit, ruler thingy that comes with the planner. Let's see if I can take it off. Yep, this is perfect for just taking out washi or cutting washi. There's a protective film on it. Just take it off. Yay. I love that it's clear. Okay, so I got the rose gold foiled cover, floral cover, and I've got the rose gold coil, and I put on the front "Be Still" from Exodus 14:14, which says, "The Lord your God will fight for you, you need only to be still," which is like my life motto right now. And I got the neutral because I really want to just get in here and add my own stickers. So let's not skip around. Ooh, here's a pouch that comes with a lot of other goodies. Ooh, I like this. You're a whole lot of lovely. The world is better with you in it. Be humble, be smart, and rule the world. And some more sticker tags and a coupon. Yay. And an extra little wait, is this a ruler? I don't know. I don't know what this is, guys. Maybe it's in one of these things somewhere, but anyways. And then I've got a planner pouch, which is great. Okay. Oh, this is really cool. If you have like a dry erase marker, you can actually just write on this, but I don't know if I would do that. Anyway, there's some nice vellum with some print on it. And this is the front. You have everything inside you to be and do everything you want. I love that it's neutral. I can just add whatever I want into this. Motivation is what gets you started. Planning is what keeps you going. This can be like a motivation board and stuff like that. Whatever you are, be a good one. Well, I'm like sitting here and it's kind of surreal that I have an Erin Condren, because I honestly never thought that I would be getting an Erin Condren, because it's just so expensive. But I'm excited to get in and use my kits in here, because the kits that I get from Etsy are actually meant for the Erin Condren, and I end up using it in my mini happy planner or my happy planner, and the stickers are just too small for those planners. So with this, it will actually fit. So I'm just going to show you guys the dashboards. Change your thoughts and change the world. Did I show you this one? Do what is right, not what is easy. And then let's go to October. What you're looking for is not out there, it's in you. I like that. I really like this quote. I actually have a dashboard from Jameson Ray Designs. What you seek is seeking you. Live what you love. So this goes into 2019, and I don't know if I'll be continuing to use it in 2019, but you know, just wanted to try it out to see how it goes, and if I like it, yeah, I'll keep going. The only thing that turns me off about the Erin Condren is that because it's coiled, it ends up getting really chunky, that I've noticed in a lot of plan with me's, and you can't just like take it out because you'll literally rip the paper out. But in a happy planner, you can actually rip it out and put it back in because of the disc-bound system. And then here are just some pages for your notes. Oh, that's cool. And then you get to color in these coloring pages. You've got some contacts. Oh, that's cool. You can plan for 2 years ahead. That's crazy. Wow, tons of foiled stickers, which is really cool. Here's some more. Oh, these are really cute, actually. Here's some check boxes, I guess. And a folder. Oh, that's cool. Oh, wow. What is this? What is? Perpetual calendar. Oh, that's amazing. I really like this. Can this fit in my B6? I think this is a little bigger. Let me see. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, no. Yeah, it's not a B6. But it can fit into a B6 if you wanted to. That's really cool. I actually tried a perpetual calendar one time and I really liked the functionality of it. It's just that you can't really add that much decoration, but maybe that was just me. Shine your brightest. This is really cute. I like how it looks here. And it's all rose gold. I'm a sucker for rose gold, guys. If you guys didn't know, I'm a sucker for rose gold. So this month is going to be super busy for me because I'm going to be opening up my business this month, and a lot of things are coming and it's a lot of exciting things, so I really hope you guys stay tuned. I will be announcing it on this channel very soon, in about 1 week, if I am to be honest and upfront about what I'm talking about. So thanks for watching this unboxing video. Thanks for joining me in my Erin Condren journey. We'll see if I actually like this planning system and if I stick with it. But I'm really excited to be showcasing my products to you guys using this planner. And I'm going to be using a bunch of other planners to showcase my products to you guys. But anyways, that's for another video next week. And I will see you guys in the next one. You guys, I totally forgot to show you guys the back. So this is the back. It looks just like the front, except it doesn't have Be Still. And I think I covered about everything. So if I did miss something, I am so sorry. I'm just super excited to start testing out my stickers in this planner. So anyways, I'm gonna go now. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.